What's up? Check this out. You ready? So this 17 Honda Accord, or 14 Honda Accord, the windshield trim, right? You can see how, as you've been driving down the road, that's how much the force of air on the windshield is moving what's left of the seal. You see that? So you can see when you're driving down the road, it's the air pressure is coming off the windshield and it's going around the car, right? And you can see, watch this. See how far it's been moving? This is making an audible sound that sounds like a piece of plastic is just flapping while you're driving. Crazy stuff, right?